Alright y'all, today I'm going to show you how to make a cheesy shrimp baked potato that's absolutely delicious, easy to make. Let's go. Alright y'all, just go ahead on in. Get at that potato, a few little cuts in it. Nothing too many, you know what I mean? Maybe like 6 or 8, something like that would be good. Get you some aluminum foil, put a little bit of olive oil on there. Alright, make sure it's nice and coated. Like so. Make sure your oven's preheating right now at 400 degrees. Oh, go ahead on there with some salt. We put that oil and we put that salt, y'all. The outside's gonna be crispy. The inside of the potato is gonna be fluffy. So that's why we did that. Now we go ahead on, wrap it on up. All right, y'all, throw these in the oven and let's move to the next part of this process. Just go ahead on, y'all, and cut you up some green onions. And then what I have is 1 pound of fresh Louisiana shrimp. We're gonna go ahead on, peel those shrimp up. Let me show them to you. So I'm gonna do about 4 potatoes, and I got a pound of shrimp, just to let you know what that is, okay? All right, y'all, so let's go make our cheese sauce now. All right, y'all, in a separate pot, 2 tablespoons of butter. All right, the butter's melted, throw in 2 tablespoons, y'all, all-purpose flour on a low heat. Let's go ahead on and mix that up a little bit. Go ahead, 1 cup of whole milk. Let that all heat up until it's well combined. 2 cups cheddar cheese. Let's go ahead on and mix that up, y'all, till all that cheese is really melted. Throw my Cajun seasoning and that cheese dip. All right, y'all, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 pound of Louisiana shrimp, y'all. Check out my Cajun seasoning on the website, y'all. 40% off. Bakers101.com. Hit it with that garlic powder. So the potatoes are done. The shrimp took 3 minutes. Go ahead and throw some butter down. Go ahead and hit it with that cheese, y'all. Check that out. And the shrimp. Top it off with the green onion. All right, y'all. Check it out.